My name is Jordan Abbott, and I'm an MTI DTC graduate. I'm confident in what I can do. I know what I can do. Anything I experienced here, I'll be ready for. I had seen a few other welding schools, but then I saw this, came down for an appointment, and decided to come here. Being out here in the lab, people knew if you had your hood down and you're welding, they'd leave you alone. It was a fun time. If you needed help, all you had to do was stay outside your booth. They see you, even if they're carrying something, they'll drop it and come over right over and help you. They're there for you, that's their job. They're here to help you, and they're really good at it. They've built up the confidence that I know what I can do now. When I started here, they said, if you qualify, we are gonna get you the best darn job we possibly can. And they've definitely done that. I'm gonna go work with HMT Tanks, build the big old diesel, oil, crude gas tanks. I mean, this job, I'll be starting off over $20 an hour. You're gonna enjoy your time here. Give it a try. I guarantee you're gonna like it.